Thank you for bringing us to that place. So let's take a moment to breathe into our time of meditation together. This is our practice. Quite possibly the most significant of the time we spend together each week. It's the space beyond words, the place of consciousness where we gather. So we remember that there is no right or wrong way to get centered, to breathe, to meditate. So we just engage our current practice as it is, bringing our full attention to this moment. First, taking a breath and choosing to relax. With the next breath, centering the mind on the now moment. Consciously releasing it from thoughts of the past and from the pull of the future. And inviting all of the attention and intention to be present in this moment. Simply notice how calming that is. Notice how it quiets things down. There is no place to go, no thing to do. There is nothing incomplete in this moment. So we arrive right here and simply allow the silence, the stillness to have its way within us. So our practice is to lean into the stillness. And when we find it, breathe there. To lean into the silence. And as any thoughts may arise, just use the breath to return to the quiet, stillness. And as we notice the spaciousness, we invite ourselves to go deeper, to really feel it, to soak in it. From a place of stillness, to lean in to the silence. by the power of this practice. May all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know that we're born blessed and here to be a blessing. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. And so it is. Namaste.